नमस्ते, मैं हूँ अस्मानी सुर्वे और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कि जो ये पोस्ट कोविड के बाद लोगों को फैक्ट्रीज ओपन करना है, ऑफिसेज ओपन करना है, देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ कन्फ्यूजन दैट हैज़ बीन क्रिएटेड कि हम कैसे ओपन करें, कब ओपन करें, क्या प्रोसेस है। मेरा आपसे सबसे पहला ये सवाल है, आर यू गोइंग बैक फ्रॉम वेकेशन? No, you are not going back from vacation. It is a time to think that do you really need to open your factories right now? I absolutely understand there is a lot of anxiety of business, of money, of lot of financial concerns that are raised. We all are currently in a lockdown. We are affecting our financial conditions. We are utilizing our restored resources. But don't hurry. Don't create a confusion within yourself. Just first and foremost, introspect if your factory is actually prepared to have that kind of number of people coming in. Are you aware that what kind of havoc it can create if you don't take a simple sanitization step? At the same point of time, I'm going to tell you today that how the process is running. Are you in a green zone? If your company is not in a green zone, गवर्नमेंट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू परमिशन. देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ टॉक्स. 20th अप्रैल दिया था, हम 20th अप्रैल तक हमें परमिशन कैसे मिलेगा? 20th अप्रैल तक आपको परमिशन नहीं मिलेगा अगर आप ग्रीन जोन में नहीं हैं. एंड इफ़ यू आर इन ग्रीन जोन, द फर्स्ट थिंग यू नीड टू डू इज़ गो एंड अप्रोच योर एसोसिएशन. इट कैन बी एनी इंडस्ट्रियल एसोसिएशन यू आर पार्ट ऑफ. आई बिलोंग टू बड़ौदा और यहाँ पे बहुत क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे दिए गए हैं कि पीपल हु आर नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द बड़ौदा विसिनिटी, द GIDCs which are out of the vicinity, maybe like Savli or Manjusar or Halol, they are not part of the vicinity. There are not much of patients detected. Hence, you can go and ask your association to give your application to open your offices. But just opening your office is enough? No. When you're going to open your offices, there are things which you will have to pay attention to because people from Baroda are traveling to your factories. Are those not COVID infected? If one of them is also COVID infected, you are going to put hundreds of people's life at risk. Are you geared up to have a premises which can take care of COVID, which can identify COVID problems? We all are not. So first and foremost, look at the business continuity plan that you can have. Look at how you can equip yourself, how you can take your property at the next level, and then you can think of reopening it. Just don't sit home and create a confusion of how to fill, ये फॉर्म भरना है, ऐसे करना है, DIC में जाना है. No, you are only adding a fuel to the confusion that is already going in the market. WhatsApp anyways is a very good media, but people are utilizing it to create confusions. So I request you all not to create any confusions. Sit back. There are notifications that are coming from government. Read them, relax, understand. And before you actually start applying for any kind of applications, understand if your office is that equipped. If not, the first thing you need to plan is how to equip your office. You need to have a proper entry and exit system. You will have to maintain proper registers of who is coming, who is going. Every person who is coming and going will need to be checked, will need to be sanitized. When you will do all this, then only you will be able to understand and take a grip in case of any contingencies that come across. Also, there is a lot of confusion that the complementary companies for whom essential products is not their product, but they are providers for the essential product. In those given cases, these companies will have to look at the idea that they get a proper letter from the primary company, and then based on that they can then start their operations. But again, these secondary companies are only allowed to manufacture and dispatch the products only to these essential companies. So if you're thinking that you have got a secondary permission and you can start doing your business, you can put your production line at work, it's not going to be the condition. Government has come with proper reforms. There are so many initiatives governments have taken. So let us understand those more initiatives, what a business continuity plan can look like, what are the tips that we can utilize in my free seminar that is coming up next week. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel and stay tuned to my Facebook so that you will be able to know when I'm doing this free seminar. Register yourself and be part of this revolution that we are coming. With that, I will also want to tell all my HR friends that this is the century's biggest opportunity you have to prove your worth, because right now what an HR can do cannot be done by anybody. Be that HR be driven by a business owner in his company or an HR professional hired from outside, because HR is the bridge, has been and always will be between the employees, employers, and now for the matter of fact the government also. So it is important for HR people to understand what importance they have in their role, start executing seamlessly. And if you also want to know more about the HR thing, you can always reach me on my Facebook or any of the social media that I am available, and I will be happy to help you. With that, I request you all to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, stay tuned to my social media, and I will keep coming with more and more updates. Thank you.